everyone. This is Miss Katie, and I want to walk you through very briefly how to make a correct works cited. This will greatly help you in college, and you are also required on all projects except math projects in Hero to create a works cited. And there's a really easy way to do most of the works cited stuff in Hero, and that's to use the videos that they give you. So this is a project in high school called History on Repeat. And as you can see right here in the overview of the project, there is a video for you to watch. And underneath the video is what they call their cited source. You just have to copy that. So what I did is I clicked at the beginning and then I dragged my mouse across. And then I'm on a Mac, so I hit Command C, but on a PC or a Chromebook, you're going to hit Control C, and that's for copy. Then I'm going to open my Pages document, or you might be using Google Docs or Microsoft Word. And I've got a nice new page here. And actually what I probably would do first would be type works cited. And I would say for History on Repeat. Then I'm going to arrow down. I had that centered nicely. Now I'll go over here and go back to the left-hand side. I'll hit Command V because I'm on a Mac, and that will paste it. On a PC or Chromebook, you're going to hit Control and the letter V, like for Victor or violin, and that pasted what was underneath that video. Now that one is all set. I'm going to click back to our project here, and I'm going to actually go into Module 1, and here's the overview for Module 1, and look at here. There's another video. So I click and drag. Now this one has a little bit more information. It was more easily cited. There was more things for the person who made the original citation to get from that. And when I go back into Pages and I click Command V or Control V, I notice I have two dates pretty much back to back, just with the word web in between. Web, of course, refers to the internet. And then you'll see here the last date. Now the last date refers to the date that you accessed it. So let's say I was doing this project today, which is the 24th of October. So I'll change that. Now it's not 2014 anymore. That was a while ago. It's 2020. So I changed the last date. Now that one is all set. So my cursor down, go back into my project. Step 1. What do we have here? We have, that looks like the same video from the overview. There's this one. This one's not cited very well. Obviously, they couldn't get a lot of information, but you could use that. So we'll go ahead and hit Command C, and we're going to add that to our list. Go back up. I like to do this at the beginning of the project just to have it all taken together. That's the same one, but these are different ones. So again, you're going to highlight and copy. All right, to save you. So that's what you would do. You'd go through the whole project and pull out all those, and you'll have a huge list of things. The last thing you need to do is you look at the first letter in each one of these. I've got an H, an N, an H, and a T. And they need to be alphabetical. So I had two H's, and that comes first in my alphabet. So I'm going to highlight that. But then because I had two H's, I do technically have to look at the second letter. And in this case, I have an HI and an HO. Well, in the alphabet, I comes before O. So I'm going to paste that above that one. And then I'm going to remove it from down here. So I highlighted it, and then I just hit my delete key. So I've got H, H, N, and a T. Well, those are in order. So I am all set. And now my works cited is properly made. Of course, in Pages, you'll want to make sure that you add your title up here. And I would suggest making it very clear what project it's for. The nice thing with this is you now have this works cited page started. This was only some citations from Module 1, but you can then continue to add to this when you go into Module 2, and you'll just keep adding the different citations below. And this is what you turn in on your Check Your Learning or final product every single time, and it should look similar to this. Let me know if you have any questions. You can email me or text me.